Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your financial journey with PNC Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the PNC Bank website. Locate the Personal Banking section on the home page. Click on the Accounts tab to explore available account options. Choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Consider factors like savings accounts, checking accounts, and investment accounts. Read through the account features and requirements carefully. Once you've made your selection, click on Open an account. You will be prompted to provide personal information. Enter your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Next, you'll need to set up your online banking profile. Create a username and a secure password. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. After setting up your profile, review the account terms and conditions. If you agree, proceed to submit your application. Wait for confirmation via email or through your online banking portal. Once your account is set up, download the PNC mobile banking app. Log in using your newly created credentials. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Check your account balances, transaction history, and available services. Consider setting up direct deposits for convenience. Establish automatic transfers to help with saving. Utilize PNC's budgeting tools available in the app. Ensure you regularly monitor your accounts for unusual activity. Consider consulting with a PNC financial advisor for personalized guidance. Stay informed by subscribing to PNC's financial education resources. Continue to review and adjust your financial goals as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.